Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Matre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today's topic is CND chapter number 3 Physical Layer part 1. Learning course outcomes are introduction of multiplexing, concept of multiplexing, definition of multiplexing, advantages of multiplexing, disadvantages of multiplexing, types of multiplexing. Introduction of multiplexing. Multiplexing is a process in which multiple data channels are combined into a single data or a physical channel at the source. So multiplexing divides the physical line into a logical segments called as channel. Multiplexing is the process where the multiple data channels are combined into a single data. Multiple data channels are combined into a single data, that means single physical channel. So multiplexing divides a physical line into a logical segments that are called channels. So multiplexing is the process of simultaneously transmitting two or more individual signals over a single communication channel. A number of signals were combined to send through a single cable. The process of multiplexing divides the communication channel into several numbers of logical channels, so allotting each one for the different message, signals or a data streams to be transferred. So device that does the multiplexing can called as a multiplexer. So the multiplexer is an electronic circuit that performs a multiplexing of the signals and applied at the input to produce a combined signal. The multiplexer receives a large number of different input signals and it has only one output which is connected to the signal. The reverse process, that is extracting the number of channels from one, which is done at the receiver, is called a demultiplexing. So device that does demultiplexing can called as a demultiplexer, that is demux. So demultiplexing is defined the process of separating out the signals from multiplex signals. So at the receiver end, the communication link is demultiplexer used to separate a signals into the original form. So the demultiplexer operation is the exactly opposite of the multiplexer. Here the diagram shows the concept of the multiplexing. Multiplexing has a hardware device is a mux, that is multiplexer. So multiplexer have a number of input signals and the number of input signal multiplexer process on that signals and combined output is given. That means multiplexer collect a number of inputs and produce a single output. The exactly opposite procedure is at the receiving side. The receiving side, the hardware device is used as a demultiplexer, that is demux. So demux receive a single input and produce a number of output. Demultiplexer received a single input and produce a number of output. So demultiplexing is produced exactly opposite of the multiplexing. Definition of multiplexing. Multiplexing is a set of techniques that allows a simultaneous transmission of a multiple signals across a single data link. Or the multiplexing is the process of combining multiple signals into one signal over a shared medium. So multiplexing is the process of simultaneously transmitting two or more individual signals over a single communication channel. There are the two multiplexing, analog multiplexing and digital multiplexing. If the analog signals are multiplexed, then it is called as analog multiplexing. If the digital signals are multiplexed, then it is called as a digital multiplexing. Advantages of multiplexing. It is easy and simple. It has a large capacities and it is scalable. It is inexpensive and signals may have varying speed. Disadvantages are complexity. The number of inputs increases the complexity of the device and the bandwidth is wasted. The types of multiplexing. Here are the multiplexing categorized into analog and digital. Analog multiplexing means if the analog signals are multiplexed, then it is called analog multiplexing. Digital multiplexing means if the digital signals are multiplexed, then there is a digital multiplexing. So analog multiplexing again categorized, subdivided into two types, FDM and WDM. FDM means frequency division multiplexing and WDM means wavelength division multiplexing. Frequency division and the FDM and the WDM systems are used to deal with the analog information, whereas TDM is used to handle a digital information. So in FDM, the many signals are transmitted simultaneously, where each signal occupies a different frequency slot within a common bandwidth. And the WDM is the number of wavelengths are divided for the transmission. So here the two types of the analog multiplexing, and the digital multiplexing is subdivided into TDM, that is time division multiplexing. In TDM, the signals are not transmitted at a time, instead they are transmitted in a different time slot. That means for the transmission they are used at different time slots, and that TDM is subdivided into synchronous TDM and asynchronous TDM. Thank you.